Hi guys, welcome to Binary King YouTube channel. In this video, let's do three-step compounding. Okay, okay, let's go for buying here. A little bit. Oh, shit. It went to next candle. I was trying to take trade over here. I was trying to take trade here. Okay, it broke this level, so it will take rejection from this level and it has to go up. Let's see. Okay. As I said, it has to do like that only because let me explain you. There's a buyer entry, seller entry. This is an SNR level. Market created a lower high and it was trying to go up. So this strong candle broke this SNR level and it will take retracement and it has to go up like this. Okay, let's take one more trade and close the session. Okay. Okay. Let's see how this candle closes here. If it closes below this level and next candle, okay. Okay, it has to do. Okay, what's happening here? Okay, see, I avoided this trade because in 5 seconds there are strong buyer entries. There is no seller confirmation at this level. So I just Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. Here we can go for binary. The market is trying to go over here because market target is here. See the momentum. As you can see here, so we finished our three-step compounding. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching. If you guys want to take our course, please contact me through my Gmail as you can see in my description. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.